just wanted to invite you to the Recover All Conference. It's Saturday, October 18th here in Westminster, California, and it's going to be super exciting. We're going to have all kinds of tremendous people that are going to tell you all about what God has done in their life. Some of them that have lost it all, and God has restored everything they have pursued. We come and overtake. This is a Recover All Conference. This is time to come and get the blessing of God. We are here to testify of the goodness of God. If God did it for them, He can do it for you. It's a free event, and lunch is going to be served. Call your friends, call your family. If you have those that are lost, those that need a touch of God, come into this event. You are going to be so blessed. The Lord is going to do miracles, signs, and wonders because He is an amazing God.